Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Toyota Yaris owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Toyota Yaris models from 2011 to 2018. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, stick around, this one's for you. And that's it for today's guide on the Toyota Yaris 2011 to 2018 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Toyota DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered fuse-related issues in your Toyota Yaris? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.